Learn how to reset keyboard settings to default in Windows 11 or 10 with this quick guide. Quickly press the Win key and the I keys at once. This will open up the Settings utility. Go to the Time and Language. If you look on the opposite side of the Settings page, you shall find the Language and Region settings. This will open the Preferred Languages section. You will see the list of languages you have on the right-hand pane. Now, choose the preferred language in there. Just tap the E option and tap Move Up. Open a run box. Just use the Windows key and the R key at once. Simply put this in the blank box and click OK. AppWiz CPL. Now you will see the list of apps in the same page. Locate the keyboard mod application in there. Then right-tap the keyboard mod and tap Uninstall. At first, just right-tap the Windows icon and choose Device Manager to access that. There, you have to expand the keyboards area. Next, right-tap the driver and tap Uninstall Device to uninstall the keyboard driver. Tap Uninstall to uninstall the keyboard driver. Just right-click the Windows button. On the Start menu page, tap the Power button icon. Simply choose the Restart option to restart the computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.